I had heard of the rotary powered spiral before, but I just didn't have any experience with it. So when you called and offered to stop out and do a demo, we thought, let's take a look. I'll admit at the time, I thought, we'll see. I didn't expect a huge difference. I thought, oh, a spiral is a spiral. It didn't take long after seeing the demonstration that we thought this is really going to make a difference. I'm Brian Thalmann with Thalmann Seeds. We've got a farm and seed operation southeastern McLeod County, little small town of Plato, Minnesota. Family started farming here in 1877, so we've got a long history, 145 plus years. My grandfather started in the seed business back in the 1960s, and the business expanded over time. So we first worked with Profile Industries back in 2018. We purchased our new clipper screen mill. So follow up again, and both times very positive experience. Appreciate you came out, Tom, when you do the demonstration, and the donuts you brought didn't hurt either. But the live demo, seeing it in a small scale, but what we saw is exactly what we saw on the full-scale machine. That was huge. What we did the day of the demonstration is we actually took product that we were currently running through our spiral. We were challenged to run that particular variety through that day. I know we were running because we were getting a fair amount of clean out, but we were still making it work. But we were getting some good product going out with the discard just because there was such a sheer volume of oval type beans in there, but it was making the sample look pretty good. And the first sample we ran through was coming off our gravity tables, and we thought, oh, this did a nicer job than we did before. Then one of my staff brought a bucket out and they said, try these. And I said, what are these? He said, I'll tell you later. That was a sample of our finished product that we were doing. We ran that through and we realized that we had a bunch of inferior kernels in there, and that was what sold us on it. To me, most important is the quality of the seed. And we've got people monitoring the plant, but especially when we're doing seed going to a bulk bin, you're not standing there hovering over the machine minute after minute. We've got monitor screens here in the office. We can monitor from afar. My son or I will take a walk through the plant every so often and check it. But having everything go through the spiral is a final safety check. Like I mentioned earlier, to be a kernel of corn or something that'll be left in. Going through there, it just gives us the confidence of knowing that the product is going to come out in a good, clean, efficient manner. So we made the decision to invest in the rotary powered sorter, put it in, and the first thing we did is say, why did we do this 10 years ago? We've done about 200,000 units of soybeans since that time. Every single kernel goes through that spiral.